Hey there, para folks. Here's how you can quickly enter or exit build mode in Paralives. After purchasing your first property, build mode becomes available, allowing you to customize your house and lot. While the tutorial doesn't directly point it out, you can access build mode by clicking this icon located to the left of your Parafolk icon. Doing this opens up a new set of controls specifically designed for building and editing your property. Now, if you're finished using build mode and you're expecting a back button or exit option somewhere along the upper toolbar, you might get confused for a moment because it's actually not there. Instead, the same build mode button we used earlier is also the one used to close it. If you want a much faster way to toggle build mode on or off, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. And that's basically all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.